Embarking on the journey of growing up is a transformative and multifaceted process that extends across various aspects of life. As you navigate through the complexities of maturation, consider the following extensive list of tips encompassing physical, emotional, social, intellectual, and personal growth. Number 1. Physical well-being. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water daily. Engage in regular physical activity to promote cardiovascular health and overall well-being. Prioritize sufficient sleep to support physical and mental recovery. Attend regular medical checkups and screenings to monitor your health. Number 2. Emotional intelligence. Develop self-awareness by reflecting on your emotions and understanding their origins. Practice mindfulness and meditation to enhance emotional regulation. Cultivate empathy by putting yourself in others' shoes and seeking to understand their perspectives. Express your feelings openly and constructively, fostering emotional honesty. Learn healthy coping mechanisms for stress, such as deep breathing or journaling. Number 3. Intellectual growth. Foster a love for lifelong learning by exploring diverse subjects and interests. Read a variety of books, including fiction, nonfiction, and literature from different cultures. Engage in critical thinking exercises to sharpen your analytical skills. Pursue education beyond the classroom, attending workshops, lectures, and online courses. Embrace challenges as opportunities for intellectual growth and problem solving. Number 4. Social skills. Develop effective communication skills, including active listening and clear expression. Build and maintain healthy relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. Learn conflict resolution strategies to navigate disagreements peacefully. Participate in group activities to enhance teamwork and collaboration. Practice good digital citizenship by using social media responsibly. Number 5. Independence and responsibility. Set and work towards personal goals, both short-term and long-term. Take on responsibilities at home, school, or work to develop a sense of accountability. Manage time effectively by creating schedules and prioritizing tasks. Make informed decisions by weighing the pros and cons and considering potential consequences. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities and use them to grow. Number 6. Adaptability and resilience. Develop flexibility in adapting to change and uncertainty. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on solutions rather than problems. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals during challenging times. Learn from failures and setbacks, using them as stepping stones to success. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that abilities can be developed through effort and perseverance. Number 7. Values and morality. Reflect on your values and align your actions with them. Explore different belief systems and philosophies to refine your moral compass. Act with integrity by staying true to your principles, even in challenging situations. Engage in ethical decision-making, considering the impact of your choices on yourself and others. Cultivate a sense of purpose by aligning your actions with your values and goals. In the pursuit of personal transformation and self-improvement, one of my close friends embarked on a journey to glow up by adopting various strategies aimed at enhancing different aspects of their life. Eager to embrace change and inspired by the prospect of positive transformation, my friend set out on this path with enthusiasm and determination. The Glow Up plan included aspects such as skincare, fitness, fashion, and overall well-being. However, despite the initial zeal, a critical hurdle emerged: the challenge of consistency. It became apparent that my friend struggled to maintain a steady commitment to the routines and habits essential for the desired glow-up. One area where consistency faltered was in the realm of physical fitness. While my friend enthusiastically started a workout routine, the commitment wavered over time. Inconsistent exercise patterns hindered progress, and the anticipated physical changes failed to materialize as a result. One area where consistency faltered was in the realm of physical fitness. While my friend enthusiastically started a workout routine, the commitment wavered over time. Inconsistent exercise patterns hindered progress, and the anticipated physical changes failed to materialize as a result. Another area that suffered from the lack of consistency was the development of new skills and education. Initially enthusiastic about acquiring knowledge and honing talents, my friend found it challenging to dedicate consistent time and effort to these pursuits amidst the demands of daily life. The struggle with maintaining a skincare routine also played a role in the perceived setback. The sporadic application of skincare practices hindered the desired improvements in skin health and appearance. Despite these challenges, it's important to note that setbacks and obstacles are inherent in any personal development journey. Recognizing the need for consistency is a crucial step toward overcoming these challenges. Establishing realistic goals, creating manageable routines, and staying committed to the journey, even during moments of difficulty, can make a significant difference. In the glow-up process, consistency acts as the backbone, turning aspirations into tangible results. Encouraging my friend to revisit their goals, reassess their approach, and recommit to consistent efforts will undoubtedly reignite the glow-up journey. After all, the road to personal transformation is not always linear, and the lessons learned from setbacks often contribute to the ultimate success of the glow-up endeavor. In summary, the journey of growing up is a holistic and dynamic process that encompasses various dimensions of life. By focusing on physical well-being, emotional intelligence, intellectual growth, social skills, independence, responsibility, adaptability, resilience, and values, you can navigate the complexities of maturation with purpose and fulfillment. Remember that growth is continuous, and each step forward contributes to your ongoing development. Embrace the opportunities for self-improvement and discovery that arise on the path to adulthood. I think this will be the end of that video. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Thanks for watching,